besties, it's your girl Classy C, and I'm back with another video. This one is going to be a hair tutorial. It's really just like a glue and bob, or whatever you want to call it. The name of the company is not in here, but I will have them tagged in the description below. They sent me 3 14-inch bundles. The other bundle is over there, but it's already open. They sent me 3 14-inch bundles for bob. They also came with a cap and a bag. So this part of the video will be sponsored by them. Anyways, let's get into it. Start by brushing my hair. I did wash my hair like 2 days ago, but this is edge control on it, so yeah. This moment, I'm parting everything to do my braid down. And after I do my braid down, you're gonna see how I braid it down, how I part it, section everything out to do this style. Okay, now that your girl done doing her hair, y'all love 360. Now I just got 2 black ball caps. I put one of them on and sprayed some sprigs, and then I'm going to put the blow dryer to it to dry it a little bit, and then I'll put my other cap on. And I'm not sure what's the name of this stuff, but I'll put the name in the description. You just put that on there. Basically, it holds the cap to your hair to where you don't have to sew the cap or worry about anything lifting up. And honestly, this style did last for a little minute. I had it in for probably about 2 weeks. It's a glue and bob, so yeah. But now I'm just going in and putting the tracks where they go. What you measure them to the back of your head. You go straight across. I'm going straight across, me personally, and I'm measuring it, and then I'm cutting, putting the glue on, and then I'm attaching it like so. And I'll just be doing that for a few steps.
Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah.
Now that I am halfway through gluing the tracks onto my head, I am going to cut off the section where my leave out is going to be. So as you see that, I'm doing that right now, and then I'm just go back to finish gluing. So let me let y'all watch me.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's
Also, make sure when you are gluing, I want to say every 3 tracks that you do glue down, you want to take your blow dryer and put some heat to it, you know, to dry it a little bit, make everything quicker. That's what I do. That's what works best for me.
Just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face in action. These days, no, my aim. Niggas be blasting. Living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up. But this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder. There ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna. Live how you wanna. Spit what you wanna. Be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die.
Girls, all done. Gluing the tracks on. I am gonna go in with the blow dryer and hit it again. Now I'm just putting a little heat protector on my hair, on the tracks also, so you know nothing can be on whatever. And I'm gonna take the flat iron and pass through it before I ever get to cutting or anything. Just gonna straighten that out a little bit. And then I'm going to go and cut piece by piece. I'm going to cut everything piece by piece. Well, really layer by layer, so like I can have an even cut. Because I am cutting this myself. So I know it's not going to be as even as I may want it. But I'm trying my best, and it did pretty good if you ask me. So basically, after I go in and cut everything, I did have help. My man came and he helped me cut some of the ends, you know, cut it blunt. It's not in a clip, but just know he did. Don't worry about it. But now I'm just flat ironing my edges, the front of my hair. I use my mini flat irons to get to like the root or like my edges to make that more straight, and then I go in with my bigger flat iron. But I'm just going to be lining everything up at the end of the bob because it's supposed to be a blunt cut bob. Well, not supposed to be. It's a blunt cut bob, so I am going in and I'm lining everything up, but I am going to hit it with the flat iron again.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time.
And now I'm just going to go and flat iron my natural hair like so, in the same order. You know, it's really not that hard if you take your time to do everything. You do for sure want to take your time and flat iron because you don't want your leave out to look puffy and then the real hair just looks like real straight, glossy or whatever. You want everything to look like you want it to blend real good. So I will say go in. If you do have a hot comb, I broke my hot comb, so I don't have it at the moment. But if you do have a hot comb, go in and hot comb that a little bit, your roots, to make everything look straight. And then everything I did on one side, I did to the other one, of course. Then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna fix my part, make sure that's bone straight, because what is a middle part without a bone straight part? Like, what are you doing? And as for my baby hairs, I'm only doing baby hairs on one side, of course, which is the side, I want to say, not my best side, but like the side that my more dominant side. So I am taking the baby hairs out. I will curl them. Before I do my baby hairs, I do curl them, and then I'll go in with my edge control and the edge brush, and then I just do my baby hairs.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy.
And I'm gonna hit it a couple of times with the flat iron. Might even trim a little bit, but that's really it.
Baby, at last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So that'll be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I want to thank y'all for watching my video today. I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And comment if you want to see more. Bye, besties. Mwah.